Control Flight 1907 should be on radar in Brasilia. The missing flight is a Boeing 737 with 154 people on board. It's been in the air for 2 hours and should be nearing Brasilia. But controllers there can't find any trace of that plane.
Manaus, there isn't any goal. There isn't any goal with us here.
It's on its way.
They check its status with controllers in Manaus who were last in contact with the plane.
Eu pedi para encerrar a
Anxiety was
instrução,
high, and controllers
porque,
were
além de
confused
ser
about what to
instrutor, eu
say.
sou supervisor
They
também,
didn't know
mas
what
no
was
dia eu
happening.
estava como instrutor.
With new McValue at McDonald's, you'll get more than you expect. Like buy a double cheeseburger for you and add a McChicken for $1. Because being able to take your little brother out is a big deal. Get more than you expect with new McValue.
Almost every truck.
This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. If there were actually an emergency, you would have heard that someone issued an alert for your area. Standard broadcasting will now resume.